Good morning, everyone. This is Becky from Fusan International Enterprise Limited, of handmade packaging boxes from China, and we can accept any customization of all kinds of boxes. Next, I will introduce some handmade boxes for you. And the first one is a linked box. It's made of 2mm grade chipboard and covered coated paper with printing to pattern color. One is red and one is black, and for the black logo we also emboss the logo, and here are some spot UV logos, and for the inner paper is also coated paper with printing pattern color and with white, and for here is a spot UV, and for the inner part insert, here is pieces of Barrier paper is food grade, and also here's a black cardboard. This one is a 2-piece box. It's made of 2mm grade chipboard and covered coated paper and printing to pattern color, pink and blue and with white color. And for the logo, we do spot UV. Also the inner part, we do spot UV of the logo. And for the bottom box, it's also made of 2mm grade chipboard, covered coated paper with printing one pattern color. And we also stick the grade chipboard insert with die cutting to shapes to hold the customer's product. Third one is a boxes the shape like a baggage, and is made of 2mm grade chipboard with covered coated paper with printing CMYK color and one pattern color red. And we also do matte lamination to protect the paper and the color. And for here is a string to help close the box. And here is a handle. It's a cotton handle. The color is in line with the box. And for the inner paper is also coated paper with printing CMYK color and one pattern color red. And we also do matte lamination to protect the box color. And the first one is a magnetic box. It's made of 2mm grade chipboard and covered gold cardboard with printing CMYK color. And also we do spot UV of here. And emboss the logo here and here. Also the inner paper is also silver cardboard and with pink and with white color. And for the insert is gold cardboard. And here is a magnet to help close the box. prettily, like this way. Okay. And this is all my introduction of our company's product. If you have any requirements, please feel free to contact me, and we can accept any customizations such as the box style, color, printing, logo, and etc. Thank you for your time today.